The Honor GT is a cutting-edge flagship smartphone designed to push the boundaries of performance and innovation, appealing to tech enthusiasts and power users alike. Boasting a sleek and modern design, the device features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and ultra-smooth visuals, ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday multitasking. Under the hood, the Honor GT is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, one of the most advanced chipsets on the market, ensuring lightning-fast performance, efficient power management, and seamless multitasking even with the most demanding applications. Complementing this powerhouse is up to 16 GB of RAM, allowing for effortless switching between apps, and storage options reaching up to 1 TB, providing ample room for photos, videos, and files. The Honor GT shines in the photography department as well, featuring a sophisticated triple-camera setup. This includes a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for capturing sharp and detailed photos, a 12MP ultra-wide lens for expansive landscapes or group shots, and a high-resolution 16MP front-facing camera for crystal-clear selfies and video calls. Its 5,300 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, even for heavy users, and supports blazing-fast 100W charging, minimizing downtime and keeping users connected throughout the day. Running on Honor's custom UI, built on the latest Android platform, the GT provides a fluid, user-friendly interface packed with customization options and advanced features. With its combination of high-end specifications, premium build quality, and a focus on delivering a balanced experience, the Honor GT is positioned as a strong competitor in the flagship smartphone market. Whether for gamers, photographers, or anyone seeking top-tier performance, this device delivers an impressive blend of style, power, and functionality, making it a standout choice in its class.